going to make some balloon squishies like this. Yippee! I'm going to be making 5 balloon squishies with different things inside them. This is sand, this is glitter, this is flour, this is rainbow balls, and this is slime. Okay, let's make it now! So we're gonna need these funnels. And my mom and I made these funnels. These are from like a big bottle, and then we just cut them. You can buy them or just make them yourself. So I'm gonna start with the glitters. So I picked the white balloons so maybe I could see through it. Scoop it up. It looks like that I'm gonna feed someone. So since it's a little bit dry, I'm going to add some glitter glue. I think it's not going anymore, so now I'm going to ask my mom to help me tie it. Okay, so this is our first squishy. It's a little bit small. It kind of feels like I'm touching like a bean bag. It's full of beans. It's actually glitter. It's really gooey though. Let's try the flour. Okay, I think we're done now, so let's do it. My mom will help me tie it for me. This is how the powder looks like on this balloon. It's so like, it feels like a rock, but then it kind of feels really nice and calm. It feels really nice, and I can put it in any shape. So now we are going to do sand. I picked a red one for this one. Okay, now I think it's ready, so now I'm gonna ask my mom to help me tie it. It does not feel like a squishy. It's so hard. Now we are going to do balls. Let's start. Okay, so now we're gonna tie it. So this is really squishy, but it's more squishier than the white one. So now we're going to use the slime. It's really gooey, so I think it's going to be the one that's going to be really squishy. Okay, let's start. Okay, I think that's enough slime now. So I think I'm going to ask my mom to help me with this because it might pop out. So this one is really squishy. It's squishier than the others. Like so squishy. So now we have all our balloon squishy, and I'm gonna talk all about them. This one, first it was starting to get so squishy I couldn't squish it, but now it's a little bit more squishier. Next one is the flower. It's not really that squishy. The flower is almost like the sound, but the sound is more like hard. Next is the puffy balls. The puffy balls feels like clouds inside. And the last one is slime. The slime feels just this right thing. It feels like a real squishy, and it feels like the real squishy. Now we are going to draw the faces. Let's start. Achoo! Achoo! So these are all my friend squishies. Thank you for watching my awesome, fantastic, incredible Allie's Adventure World. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!